Hello and welcome back. So, in this session, we are going to see how you can use Google My Business page uh, and how you can get local business. See, Facebook and Instagram are mainly for um, a wider region. You can get local business, but Google My Business page is mainly for getting business from your locality, from your district or state. So let us first see how you can start a Google My Business. And before that, let us see the importance of Google search. We all know that Google has a vast user base, and like for each and everything, we go and search on Google, right? So there is brand visibility, increased traffic, competitive advantages there, cost effective marketing. Because if you are having a Google My Business page, it's not going to cost you anything. So it is whenever somebody searches, say for example, like handmade chocolates in Raigad or chocolate gifts in Indore. If you are from that locality and if you have a GMB page, Google will show your company name, and it is reaching the targeted audience. Only people who are searching has a requirement for chocolates will go and search on Google, right? So they are targeted audience who has a need for your product. And it helps in building your authority and expertise. We'll discuss how that in detail a little bit later. Understand that like it will give you a lot of insights and analytics, which is going to be very useful for your business. It has mobile accessibility and long-term sustainability. So due to these 10 reasons, Google search is important. Now, we talked about Google search, right? Now we are going to see what is the importance of Google My Business. GMB stands for Google My Business, for business growth. You are going to get local visibility. That is first and foremost. You get an enhanced online presence. If you are there, means if somebody is searching chocolates, your name will be shown. You get customer engagement, you build trust and authority, you get mobile accessibility, valuable insights. It is a great local SEO boost. SEO means search engine optimization. Uh, sorry, if you're in Google, it will show you in the locality. You can showcase your products and services. It gives you a competitive advantage, and it is a cost effective marketing technique. So let us see how you can start a yes, Google page. I'm going to stop here and I'll share you the Google My Business page. And check. What you have to do is just go to Google. I'm explaining this process right from the beginning because it is going to be helpful for those who do not have a Google My Business page. Go to Google and search Google My Business page. Okay. Now, if you search that, you will get a list. It is showing my business pages because these are my businesses. So it will look like this. Okay. So it is going to show. Let us see, for example, I'm going to Indian Chocolate Academy's Google My Business page. So if you click on this, you are going to get all these details. For example, your profile, reviews, messages, they are going to stop from yesterday, day before yesterday. So henceforth, you will not be able to receive any messages from possible customers. You have to take these messaging to some other platform. But you can post photos and videos here. You will get the performance insights and analytics. You can advertise, you can order, uh, you can post about your other activities, post about your products and services and get bookings. Not only that, see, you can create a custom email, you can get customers directly here. You can add a map to your website, you can get reviews, and much, much more. So what you see here is, see, this is how it will look like when you search. It will show the map, the images, the website, directions, address, work timings, and more. So let us see how you can start a Google My Business page. So I'll do one thing. I'll open it in incognito. Okay, 1 second. You can. So first and foremost, you should have a Google account. Okay. A Google account is essential. And earlier it was known as Google My Business. Now it is known as Google Business Profile. But anyway, I can. So they will ask for your business name. You go and type it there and add it to Google and proceed with the steps. I think I'll show incognito because otherwise it's going to affect already what is here. Google My Business page. So go here and you have to sign in. Sign in here, for example. Okay, I'm going to sign in. I'm just showing it for your purpose. So see, it is asking for your email or phone number, home address, add a profile picture, and sign. So if you give all these details and much more, I'm not doing this because if I create it, it will be created in Google. So just go there, fill in all the details. It will ask even for a proof. Sorry. Sorry. It will even ask for proof of the sorry address. You have to give all that and submit it for verification. Sorry, submit it for verification. It will take at least 3 to 4 days or 6 to 7 days. It depends because Google has to verify that, and if they have received too many um, verifications, then it will take some time. So fill in all these details, and once your account is verified, you will get that information on the mail, or you can come here and you will get a message. Once it is verified, then you have to go and fill in all the details. So let us see like what all details you require. Yes. So see that you are filling in all the business information like name, address, phone number, and it is accurate and consistent with other online listings. Once you are verified, then only you can post images and videos. You can post about your products and services. You can post a cover image and your profile photo, and talk about updates and offers, whatever you have. Select relevant categories that accurately represent your business, and start collecting reviews as and when somebody orders. And because when you get handwritten reviews or testimonials somewhere, it will not be shown on Google. So it is always good you create a Google My Business page and ask all your customers, friends, and family to post reviews there. Because the more number of reviews you have, Google will show you on top, and post updates, promotions, events, content regularly. That also helps you to be shown, to be ranked high in Google search. So do all these things and see how it affects your business. This is an excellent way to get local inquiries and local orders. So the task for this particular chapter is go and start an GMB account, Google My Business Page account today. It's not going to take much. You have to submit a photograph and a video. If you give a proper address proof, they will accept it. Sometimes they'll ask you to give proof of your business. If it is a registered business, submit the registration, whatever you have, either the GST form or the sole proprietorship registration. If you do not have any, then you have to take a video from the front side of your house or apartment or store, whatever it is, and then come inside and show some of your products on that video. So take a video like that and submit it as proof. So only if you do all these things properly, Google will verify it. It will take anywhere from 3 days to 10, 12 days to get verified. So wait for that. And once you get verified, do all the things which we discussed earlier. And yeah, post about one, post your screenshots in the WhatsApp group as well as in the Facebook community.